Morning from the Amazon. This place is alive with sounds. You can feel the jungle waking up.
Every step here feels like a new discovery. Plants, insects, and maybe eyes watching you.
This river is the Amazon's lifeline. Thousands of species call it home. Meet the macaws, the jungle's loudest and most colorful residents.
If you're lucky, you'll find spots like this. Nature's own air conditioning.
The canopy is another world up here. Birds, monkeys, and endless green. When the sun sets, the Amazon turns into a galaxy of tiny lights. Those glowing eyes belong to a very patient hunter.
From dawn to dusk, this jungle never stops amazing me. Until next time, stay wild.